Good afternoon, sir. We hope you are doing well today.
Yes, I will.
I am LZC Guason and together with my group mates, uh,
Mm.
Anjime A. Aurelianeda and Dayan Zane E. Oriat and Gerald A. Oriat. We are a first year IT student from NIMSO Cantilan. This is part of our final requirements in the course Contemporary World. We are Contemporary World. We assure you that any information you share will be used solely for educational purpose only. And thank you, sir, for taking the time to speak with us.
Good afternoon, sir. Can you tell us about yourself and your family?
I have four brothers and sisters, and then I have children
Okay
coming
po.
this July.
May we know which country abroad have you stayed and how for long?
I'm here now in Poland, and I'm stay maybe 2 weeks. But last year, no, the past abroad, I live. I work in Saudi Arabia 4 years ago. But here in Poland, maybe only weeks, 2 weeks,
What are your reason of going abroad?
para bili ng business. Sorry.
Unsay imong trabaho dira, sir?
Karon welder. Pero itong sa past na sa Saudi Arabia, merchandiser ako doon.
Do you have a memorable experience abroad, sir?
Yes. Because first time in my life, I drive in Saudi Arabia. Take license. But my memorable experience is driving in Saudi Arabia.
How will you compare a country with country you have been to?
Kuhan,
You,
bali ng kultura tapos pagkaon. Lahi
Uh,
limpyo diri sa Pinas, kayo. Peaceful diri sa Pinas, dili peaceful tapos dili traffic. Grabe kaluwag.
if you give any advice to the younger generation based on your experience, sir, abroad, what would it be?
Mga bata karon, dapat mag-eskwela sila 4 years para di na sila mahirapan mag-abroad. Tapos pag mag-abroad ka dapat may skills. Tapos homesick ang kalaban dito, dapat labanan ni mong homesick. Number 1 na kalaban sa lang, bali ang advice ko lang sa generation, mag-eskwela, graduate.
Thank you, sir, sa pagtubag sa mga question, sir. Amurad sa mga question, sir. Thank you, sir, sa pag